Hello everyone, welcome back to Moonfire Studios. This is Cindy and I have a really cool package from Red Apron Vintage. Her cute little gal, I just love her so. It's a wee bit late because I've been a wee bit sick, but I'm feeling much better now. So I'm hoping to get caught up on everyone's packagings and to get the projects going that I have for said packagings. So, oh my, oh look at that. And she's always so good about putting freebies in. Aw, and she is just the sweetest. Look at her little tags. I just love everything I get from her. And she always puts a handwritten thank you, which is a really nice touch. This is just a little thing. And then from her, I have a great big thing that I'm recording right after this. So, yay! I'm doing double time to get caught up. Ooh, look at that. This is when she had her book sale. Ooh, I love this. The Celtic Art Source Book by Courtney Davis. Look at all these cool graphics. Oh, how cool. Just beautiful. I love doing stuff like this in the copper work that I do. This is pretty. A lot of times though, I combine patterns to make up new ones. Like I'd put that with that and connect them and things like that. Or just make up my own. This is super cool. I love this book. This is great. And it's one that I don't have. Which is unusual for something Celtic. In fact, I have, I think, one of my original art metal pieces. Hang on. This is one of the pieces that I first made with art metal and tooling it by hand. Some of the colors come off in places, but that's okay. This one's just a piece of aluminum, but I really like to do this in solid copper. But this piece has been around for, oh golly, since 2006, maybe 2005 even. So yeah. And I just kind of toss it around everywhere. Okay, and if you head over to the website, moonfirestudios.shop, there are some copper pieces in there. And we do custom works also. And, ooh, look at this. Wildflowers. I love flowers. Oh, these are so much fun. These would be pretty to put some colors or vintage vintage inks over. Can fussy cut them, make some tags out of them. Oh, which this is perfect because I am in the middle of, I'm still working on it, guys. It's taken me a little longer than expected to create this, but it's for my Instagram 1000K or 1K followers on there. So as soon as it is, isn't that pretty? I like potato vines. As soon as it's up, I will also let you guys know on YouTube. in case you want to head on over there to be included in the giveaway. Unfortunately, I can only do one, but it's a nice, going to be, I hope you'll like it, a nice big giveaway. But look at this beautiful book. I think she's having another sale this weekend, so hopefully I can get this edited and up early tomorrow. So definitely check out Red Apron Vintage on Instagram, and she's got redapronvintage.shop. And oh, let's look at the freebie bag. How cute. She really does spoil us, guys, so definitely be nice to her and take care of her and share her things as well. Oh, look at this pom-pom trim. Oh, that is so much fun. Oh, I love that. Oh, it's so soft. Oh, I want to make something with it. Oh my gosh, I have so many projects. I'm way behind. Oh, look at the cute little cutouts. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. There's a little fairy and a tree and a fox and tiny fairies and a unicorn and a little monster. Look at the bunny butt. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And there's fronts. Oh. Oh, how neat are these? This is so cute. I'm going to do something cool with those. I don't know what yet, but it'll be cool. Oh, it's a... Oh my god. You guys. It's a little playset. How stinking cute is that? Create your adventure, Enchanted Forest. Oh, I am so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's make some. Let's do, we gotta do this cool monster dude. He's cute. Let's pop him out. And he's got a stand somewhere. I'm assuming one of these. Oh, he's so cute. Get in there. Okay. We'll put the monster guy there. Oh, there's something else. Hang on. Let's look in a little baggie before we get all buildy. Oh, cute little stickers. They're like cats in pajamas, which is really funny because I always say you're the cat's pajamas. How cute. Although, I'm not sure you guys have heard me say that very much on here. But I do. Oh, those are so neat. Okay. Let's make the bunny because I love bunnies. Okay. We're going to make the little bunny hopping on the trail to the door. Oh, there's a cute little warthog. Let's make him. He's going to protect the bunny from the blue monster dude. And let's do the big magic fairy. She's gonna swoop in from the trees and save the day and turn the monster nice. Although, you know, he could be nice already. Just maybe have something stuck in his teeth. You never know. Stay. Okay. This is so fun. This is so cute. Oh, I love this. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Red Apron Vintage. You are so awesome. and I am going to go do, I have a big ass box to do. So I'm going to edit this really fast, I hope, please, and then go do the big box. So I thank everybody for this really super quick video, but I wanted to do it separately because it deserved to be by myself, and obviously it did. So craft happy. I will see you back soon. Bye.